TV. Psych.
Got him!
The whiteboard. Seems to have not came with any markers.
Nangi has markers.
Okay.
How do I turn it off?
What to do, game? Back in my room. Brought the whiteboard up. We're gonna be putting it right here. Viz Pro. To be honest with you, I do not know how to mount this on my wall, but we'll figure it out. We got the ingredients right here. Oh, you need a drill for this. Buddy don't have a drill though. Can I do this without a drill? So it's in. Hopefully it stays, because I did not go by the book. I just sort of nailed in my own nails. So I'm gonna go find some markers and then write down today's message. Class is now in session. So what I got this for was just to organize my life a little bit. Goals, to-do lists, things like that. This is a minimum, so 4 minimum. 2 Dame strategy episodes out. Weekly goals. My goal is to finish this by the end of this week. I'm gonna set myself to 2 goals because I don't want to overdo myself as I'm starting out. I used to be heavy into working out. I used to get 5-6 meals in a day. Now I'm only getting 1. I'm gonna really try to get 3 meals in per day. And drink, I'm gonna say 2 liters of water per day. So we got the goals up, monthly, weekly, daily. It's also a very beautiful day out. My plant's getting lots of sunlight, cold breeze. Exactly what the soul needs. So the other day my friend Mamek let me use his rake, so I'm about to go and return that real quick. Y'all hear that? Before we go to Mavek's, my friend Abu actually just caught his very first whip. So we're gonna go over there, stop by, we're gonna check out the whip. It's a surprise. So yo, this is Abu. Abu, you wanna tell him what's good? Tell him what's good.
Buddy, the man just got the blackest car you can ever get on earth.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Very sick.
What up? You already know what it is.
You already
Since,
know.
Grade 4 we knew each other.
Yeah,
Go way
15
back.
years. And then we got
The Prince of Africa, Domingo.
the Ashanti tribe, bro.
Yes, sir. We have the orgy. Yo, stop.
It's a wide angle lens, so you can hold it pretty
Oh,
close
and
and
you
like.
can see?
Yeah. Yo, it's so awkward at first.
I
bro.
know.
When you try to vlog-
He was gonna get a bus car and blinders.
Thank you, sir. Oh. I pulled up to this guy like this.
No, we gotta redo.
Oh, you see his lips crack. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. If you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.